Chicken kabsa.
Chicken cut into 1/2. Ingredients: Kashmiri chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, cardamom powder 1 tablespoon, cinnamon powder 1 tablespoon, cloves 10 piece, cardamom 8 piece, cinnamon stick for piece, bay leaf for leaf, chicken Maggi to piece, ginger and garlic paste 2 and 1 tablespoon, dry lemon for piece. Ghee for tablespoon, tomato paste 2.5 tablespoon, tomato puree 5 whole tomato, vegetable oil 2 tablespoon, basmati rice to kilograms. Let's start to make the chicken kabsa.
Add 2 tablespoon of oil in a pot. Add ghee to tablespoon. Once the ghee is melted, then add 2 piece of chopped onions. Add whole masalas. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes. Then add blended tomato puree. Mix it. Then add all the masala. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. 2 piece of chicken Maggi. Add salt to taste.
2.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. A half tablespoon red food color, it's optional. Mix it well. Then add the chicken.
Pour the 4 cups of hot water. Cover the lid and let it cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the chicken from the pot. Then add cleaned and strained 2 kilograms of basmati rice. Mix it slowly, do not break the rice. Once the rice is cooked 80%, add some ghee on top of the rice. Then cover the pan. Keep it in a low flame for 20 minutes.
For the chicken marination, add 1 tablespoon of kabsa masala in a blender, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste,
a half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Food color, it's optional. Add a half cup of water. Then blend it smoothly. Place the chicken into the oven tray. Brush the chicken with prepared paste. Then put it in an oven 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. You will get a nice color. If you don't have the oven, place the chicken into top of the rice, then cover it. Our kabsa rice is done. Please like and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Then place the rice into the serving plate. For the kabsa masala ingredients, given in the description, enjoy the tasty kabsa rice.